the best thing that I have canned all year. It is such a 10. And I'm out, and my neighbor's rhubarb plant is huge. So we are making rhubarb strawberry pie filling. Welcome to This New Slow Life. Newly retired gal, building a pantry, a garden. I have a pop-up vintage shop. I've got projects in my house that I'm working on. So come join all the shenanigans here, and let's just learn how to slow down life and take big, deep breaths. So this is the last of the rhubarb. I called it rhubarb strawberry pie filling, which is weird. They call it that too in here, but it's got 3 apples in it, and it comes from amazing book, but it is actually apple, rhubarb, and strawberries. All right, we got our apples in here. The next thing is all of our rhubarb. And this is going to need to cook down for 12 minutes. I'm adding the sugar, 2 cups, that I measured with a dry container, not in this, which is kind of a good idea. So this is a stir constantly situation. The rhubarb is very, very juicy, and it's really breaking down and making this nice and juicy. And I am going to add the strawberries in about a minute or so. So I just added my strawberries. And there are some raspberries in there. Sometimes I don't care. Just add it. Okay, this is ready to come off the heat. Now, I threw my berries in whole, frozen. And some of them were too large, so I took scissors and cut them right in the pan. But I love the color of this more than I love the color of the last batch I did. I think this is going to be beautiful. So now I just have to ladle them up in the jars. Woohoo! I put the handles on my canner facing me, and then this goes this way because it has fallen off. Mine is wonky. I think it's kind of an aftermarket thing. So I'm gonna get my jars out here. Okay, let's start ladling everything in. Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. We're gonna do a 1-inch room in the container. There is a mark on this. But I'll show you another way that we'll measure it. It is so good, and look how beautiful it is. This is 1 inch, so we're going to measure our head space. This one has too much. This one needs a little more. Okay, then the other end, we're going to debubble. So you're just going to stir it. Okay, now we're taking our paper towel, dipped in vinegar. And we are going to get these rims free of anything. All this work, we have to have a good seal. It is imperative. Okay, so those are all wiped off. Let's get our lids. Some of these I reuse, but I only reuse the best. They have to be a ball to reuse, which is not recommended. But seasoned canners, we do it. I'm going to put these on fingertip tight. Yay! Okay, we're going to put these in the water bath. Let's see for how long. Wow, it's quick processing, only 15 minutes. So let's, oops, wrong side. So let's get them in the canner. So this tipped over, and I'm going to double check it. I want to make sure the rim is very, very clean. You don't want them to tip over. And since we did the lids only fingertip tight, we risk having the rims of the jars ruined. All right, let's just check this. Yeah, don't like it at all. Cleaning this all up, rinsing this off. All right, we're going to reboot. Okay, we're going to lower this in the water bath. And I'm going to use my vintage hot pads. We're going to lower it in, and it's got to come to a boil. It's got to be 1 inch over the top of the jars. So the 15 minutes starts as soon as this comes to a boil. And then I kind of turn it down and just have it come to a rolling boil so the jars aren't clanking all over. But can you believe the difference in the color? So now I'm gonna watch to see if those beautiful red ones turn this color. I kind of doubt it. This is how beautiful it looks. Okay, my people, we have our beautiful apple, rhubarb, strawberry pie filling. Great on pancakes, waffles, cake, slices, ice cream, or just make a pie. This is the best thing that I have ever canned. So I want you to try it. You're going to love it. And thank you for joining me. Love y'all. Ciao for now.